Hello and welcome to a new series called Occupy Mars. Now, this is a early access colony builder survival kind of game. You're this main character in the middle, and it is your job to survive the harsh environment of Mars while constructing this environment or habitat behind you. Now, this thing is supposed to be a simulation. And I think they did a pretty good job. I've played about maybe half an hour of this game so far. I still have a lot of the things that I want to learn about. We are in version 0.1999.8. It is still in early access, so keep in mind that things that probably will change in the future, in future updates. Now, if you have been playing this game already before, the latest update might have ruined your last save or your saves completely. Please upgrade to 199.8 and so you can play along. Now, first thing you want to set up is your profile. This is me looking like a complete Chad. I do like the way, but a bit skinny. I think I set my profile, my physique a little bit further than that. Let's see, you can set it pretty much like this. Is a bit overweight. I'm not quite sure if it has any kind of benefit, but there we go. Next, that's good. Excellent setup. All right, now we have a little bit of a tummy. Let's start the game. All right, now the game comes currently in 3 versions. Play online with co-op mode, story mode, and sandbox mode. Online co-op mode is currently still unavailable. It is still being developed. Story mode isn't complete, but you can play it. It doesn't actually have a finalized ending yet, so that's a bit of a shame. But I'm pretty sure they'll finish it pretty soon. We will be playing the sandbox mode. That gives us the option to actually build as much as we want. All right, now default comes with the difficulty colonist and the technological knowledge point set up to the minimum requirement set for madmen. That is what they would like you to play, and that's what we will be doing as well. If you set these values to either the all access or to most access, then you have more build blueprints and stuff. Now with this version here, this setup, we will have to look for tablets, ERA tablets that have the blueprints on them to allow us to continue building new things. Of course, I have absolutely no idea how this works. I have only played 20 minutes to half an hour of this game. I have not actually found an ERA tablet yet, so I don't know how it looks like. So we'll be discovering that all together. So let's get to a nice little spot. I'm going to go for Endeavor. I'm kind of assuming that's a nice place to go. I don't know. I'm not going. What's this place? This looks like a nice place. What's this? This is Jezero. And you know what? Let's just go for Endeavor. Why not? This seems like a good place to start. All right, let's get busy. All right, after a short little loading screen, we have finally the option to go and start. This starts the drop animation. We are dropping from orbit down onto the planet's surface. So we'll be seeing our trajectory in a second here. That's us. And we are slowly advancing. So our heat shield will start to heat up. There it goes. And then we'll have some flames at the window. And we should be landing soon. And then we'll see the planet's surface all the way up into the horizon. Now, there isn't much of an atmosphere on Mars. So any kind of step out of this pod, our little life support pod, is kind of hazardous. So we have to make sure that we do not go too far. Now, let's just like in Planet Base, for instance, or not Planet Base, Planet Crafter. We need oxygen, and this pod will be supplying us with oxygen. But water and food will have to be created, or at least produced on the planet. So we'll have to either research it or find food to be able to keep us alive and sustain our production. So we are finally on the planet's surface. A bit of smoke out there. Look at that view. Right. Now, we have ability to move around. I am not entirely sure why the screen suddenly changed from the view before, from the animation, to this. maybe the animation is just a little bit different. So this is our little notepad or tablet attached to our wrist. This gives us the view of our battery power in our suit. Everything is powered on our suit by our suit battery. We have blueprints. This gives us the option of what we can. This gives us the view of what we can build. We can build a solar panel and a light pole. And resources, we can get a well to dig up or pump up water, which is kind of vital. So we'll be looking into getting that as soon as possible. We have nothing else, so we'll be looking into getting the tech tree going. Now the tech tree can only be advanced using these little points, tech points, that we'll have to try and get. Messages. We don't actually have anything right now at the moment, so follow the procedure, blah blah blah. We need to find water, we need to set up power, we need to find resources, dismantle all structures with a grinder to obtain building materials and food, and then we should be able to start looking at. This is basically what we have to start in this order. So first things first, we need to get started with the water. Now we don't have any robots available yet. We don't also have a vehicle. We have a vehicle, a quad, that's located by one of these derelict structures that we'll be trying to, we'll have to try and repair later in the game. And we also have a knowledge base. This is basically everything else we would like to go to and do. A radar, this is our map. This is where we are right now. And let's get started. So, now around us in our pod, let it load in a bit. Game saved successfully. Okay, around us in our pod we have cupboards. So we have to open up those puppies. We have an inventory as well. And we have these tools. So this is a planting tool. We don't need that yet. We have a spectral detector. Press H for basic info. Yeah, sure. This is our blowtorch. The text should be white. I'm not quite sure why I can't see that. It's still in development, so that probably will change eventually. This is our carbon dioxide canister, carbon dioxide bottle. These are all cables. We will need that, and we will take the hose for water. This is a jackhammer for mining asteroids or mining materials. Yeah, pretty good. And this is our grinder. Can I pick it up? Yep, there we go. We'll be putting that in our inventory as well. This is our spectral detector, so we'll need that for finding the water. And we'll need this puppy. Oh, put it away. We'll need you, the blowtorch, to be able to build stuff. So, now let's go outside and let's see what we can do. Now, all these other materials over here we don't necessarily need at the moment, but we will be coming back to get those things in a bit. All right, let's go outside and let's look at what we have around us. Now, this is the desolate atmosphere of Mars. There we have a little bit of a structure that we have to be taking apart later in the future. Some more structures there for more materials and scrap. These rocks over here can be ground down into basic ores, unknown ore, blah, 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 blah. And that will take us a little bit. So first things first, we need to go find some water. So let's take our spectral detector. Water has been found 129 meters away. Still pretty far away from our base, but okay, we have no choice. Let's go check it out. Now, before we walk all the way over there and without our tools, we need to check out what we need for our well. Requirements: small pipe, aluminium plate, steel plate, solar cell, electric motor, pack of screws, electronics, and cement. So we will need to take that. Let's see, can I yeah, so I got that tagged. So let's go pinned. Let's go get this material. So I need to have an aluminium plate. I need to have a steel plate. I need to have a small pipe. That's a universal repair kit. That's a medium circuit board. I have power. Let's see. That's a electric motor. Yep. I need some solar cells. I need a pack of screws. Yeah. Oh, no. All right. I need electronics. That's electronics right there. And I need cement. All right. So we got everything we need to build our little device. Let's go over here and see if we can't find where we're supposed to be going. So we have to go find this little spot. There's water there. So that water is kind of vital. So there isn't that much more water around here, so I'm not entirely sure if we can find any more water. Now there is, of course, a limit to how much water can be found in these reservoirs. So they will eventually run empty. Alright, got right here. This is our spot. Let's go ahead and build our little well. So you can see that any place where there is no water, it will just show up as red. And we want it to show up as green, so we want to put right there. Boop. And now, let's see if we can't build it. I'm pretty sure that the animations, the building animations will be changed in the future, because this is not very spectacular at the moment, and I can't even see what it's actually building. But this thing has its own power source, a little solar panel on top of itself, so we don't have to worry about that. That little solar panel will then look directly at the sun, and then we'll start getting some water for us. Now this thing, of course, has only been running for a few seconds. We have the option to put another socket in here to connect up some more power if we wanted to. And this is what we're doing. Well data supplied 5 kilowatts, required 5 kilowatts. That's how much power it requires. And I'm pretty sure that as soon as the sun goes down, this thing won't be producing anything at all. Current volume is 500 liters, maximum volume 5 liters. Replenishment 55 liters per hour, which is pretty good. Production 6 liters per hour. Stored 1.6 liters. We don't have any oxygen here yet or methane, so we can only fill our water bottle at this thing. But since our water bottle at the moment is already, well, you know what? I can probably do a little bit of water. Let's go fill water bottle.
Warning: lack of water supplies.
I don't think the water is actually empty. There we go. Hydration is full. We are a little bit hungry. The water supply in the bottle has run out. That's too bad. So, but okay, we have enough water. Let's go and see if we can't set up some kind of a solar power plant. So now, our battery. I know the interface is a little bit difficult. So you have all the way left at the left bottom. That is my profile. So Millitant 0% O2 source suit altitude 176 78 something. External pressure is 1. External oxygen is 1. Also, there's no oxygen outside, and the pressure is also pretty low. Next to that, you have the oxygen, stamina, and your health. If you run, the stamina goes down. And if you run a lot, your oxygen also goes down faster. So you want to keep track of that. Next up, you have your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. That's your hotbar. That basically states what you have currently selected, or you can select. And that's what we use. You can also just press the button again, and then it will put it away. After that, you have your hydration, your hunger, and your suit battery. Now, your suit battery is kind of important. You want to keep that up as much as possible because that keeps you alive. And your hunger, of course, naturally. That's what we have the MRIs for right there. Now, we don't have that much food, so we want to try and get as much food, get that food going as soon as possible. Next up in line, with our messages at least, is power. So we want to set up a solar panel to charge your spacesuit and vehicles. We don't have any vehicles yet. We'll be going checking out over there. But first things first, we need to go and build a solar panel. So let's go ahead and put that down. Boop. So you want the solar panel somewhere close by that has access to the sun. Boop. Like that, like that. And let's build it. So we should have everything it needs already available. Now we will need, of course, to build more materials. Look at that. Boop. We have some power. Now we already have suit power, but we can go into here, open socket, and that will allow us to charge
Suit recharged.
our suit. This thing, of course, is already 100%, so nothing really spectacular there. Now we need to go over there and see if we can find something else. We have to go, according to the messages, we have to go get resources. Dismantle old structures with a grinder to obtain building materials. That's what we're going to do right now. Build base structures using blowtorch and start growing plants for food, blah, blah, blah. We're not there yet. So first things first, we're going to go dismantle a building. Now, this place is kind of cold, so we want to keep track of our little pod. We can't survive everything. So we want to be absolutely sure that we keep track of that, especially when night comes or a storm. We want to be able to shelter somewhere fast. How much do I have? How much space do I have in my inventory? Okay, I got plenty of space. Okay, good. Let's just grab the grinder. Let's go find boxes and crates and stuff that we can grind. Now we haven't progressed to the point where we can grind everything yet. Let's just can I also deselect this? Excellent. So that removes the pin. So now these things here, this is all scrap, but I of course don't have the grinder yet to be able to grind this, which is a bit of a shame. So I can't grind those things, but I can grind you. Whoa, another MRA. No, let's pick it up. Okay, excellent. So we can let's just consume this thing. Where is it? I grabbed it right now. There it is. Let's consume one of these. Gets my hunger up to 100%. Perfect. Well, not 100%, but close to it. Alright, this is scrap that we can actually grind. That gives us a whole bunch of stuff. It will take a couple seconds to actually grind it all the way down to nothing. Boop. That got us two steel plates and one aluminum plate, which is nice.
Available point for technological advancement.
Ooh. Alright, let's see. We have a point. No, we don't. We do have it in there. And materials and electricity. Let's see, this requires technology workshop and basic electricity, blah, 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 light pole, materials, basic element materials, and that requires the workshop. This thing, of course, needs, I don't know how much this stuff needs. Let's just see if we can get this.
Materials, technology access level increased. Electricity, technology access level increased.
All right, so we have the workshop now. So if I go to blueprints, I should be able to, so we have the airlock, which is nice, and we have a ramp, also quite nice, and then we have living quarters, we have a workshop, and we have a workshop sink. Nothing with food yet, but that's okay, we'll get to that soon enough. Then we also have the plant incubator and the small hydroponic shelf, which is great, we can build that, and then we can plant some plants if we want to get that done. So we have to keep track. Oh, wait a second, I should be able to open that. Oh, it opened right in my face. Boop. That's a first aid kit. Let's grind this away. I don't need this chest, but I do need the materials that go into this chest. Alright. Okay, got a ton of these things to scrap. Let's see if they give us anything point-wise. Oop. There we go. That's done as well. Come on, give me some more. I need some more materials. I want to be able to build everything. And this is basically the only way I can get materials at the moment. There is, of course, a 3D printer in the base, but that requires raw materials, raw resources. That takes even longer to gather. Let's go check inside. Oh, we have another chest over here. I do want those. Well, it's not really a chest. Okay, it is a chest. But I can't really open these things for some reason. I don't know why. Well, let's see. No, doesn't give me any option to open it. So I'm just going to assume that these things are all...
Technological advancement.
We have technological advances. Okay, cool. Thanks a lot. I'm also not really happy with the music. Well, we'll get to that soon enough. Okay. Now, what is this thing? I think this is a transformer. Not entirely sure. It seems to be the option to connect up a lot of these solar panels into one to power something big, but we haven't gotten to that point yet. And then here is our little buggy. If I select you, yeah, that shows immediately how much damage. Warning, the vehicle might explode. Okay, sure. Let's just take the damaged part out. That stops it from sparking. And now we should be able to repair it. It's going to take a while. This repair does take a long time. Right now, it's the battery level is 100%, but repair is yeah, nowhere near yet. So we, technically speaking, we don't need anything except just this blowtorch to be able to repair it, but it needs to be repaired to 100% to be functional again. And I don't know if I have the time for that right now. Let's just try and scrap this thing. This is one of these big containers. I don't think I can actually open it, but I haven't really tried. I don't think there's anything in there. Can I open a door? No. No, there's no way to open a door. So I'm guessing this is just scrap. So So we'll just take it apart, see what we get from it. Small pipe, pack of screws, a lot of pipes actually. As a matter of fact, quite nice. There we go. Now I want as many of these research points as possible so I can advance and build new things. Oh, there we go. Let's try you as well. Let's see. Let's get this one done as well. We got some more nice little stuff from it. I'll come back and repair the vehicle some other time, I guess. I do want to go and explore around, check out these other bases. There is a way, of course, to get inside these bases. You should be able to just open a door. Let's just go check that out to see if that's possible. This is a very nice looking door. Oh, here we go. Use that. Press H for more information about bases. All right. Basically shows us how you can go inside them. Blah, blah, blah. Interactable. Press Z to highlight all interactable items in the area. Okay, cool. So let's see. Once we press Z. Oh, there we go. So we can close you. Then we can open you. Oh, that allows us to... What does this do? Okay, that gets us a circuit board, a big circuit board for some reason. That's a water bottle. I'll take that. What are these things? Backpacks for some reason. A whole bunch of storage crates. Nothing in there. Is there anything in these things? Okay, here we go. A tablet. Now I'm going to see what this is. This is a inventory. Let's see, what does this do? I just dropped it on the floor apparently. Oh, cable. Is that? Can I pick it up? I don't think I can pick it up. Gas canister. Just dropped it. All right. Nothing there. What are you? Small circuit board. That might be useful. All right, let's go upstairs. Let's open you up. Got some more electrical motors. It's quite nice. I'll take that. What do you have for me? Special events, markers. Okay, so that means we got another message. What does it say? Probe signal detected. Okay, I will check that out later. Let's just first go upstairs and see what else we can interact with here. What's that? That looks like a seed magazine. Okay. These things are beautiful boxes. Tool racks, empty ones though. Some kind of a... I can't pick up these tools. It's a shame. Nothing here that... Oh, I can interact with this thing. That's another medium circuit board. Alright. I'm guessing that's pretty much it. Everything else can be destroyed. I can sit down. Alright. Can I get off? There we go. Alright, let's go downstairs and let's see what else we can do outside. I think we are done here. Next up, I think we should probably focus on getting the workshop going. I think that's the next thing we gotta do. Let's go back to our little pod. There's plenty of stuff here to look at, I think, and lots of stuff to take apart, but we are not there yet. Let's look at the tech tree. Can I do something with botany? No. I can't build a fridge yet. I wish that was the case. I have no points there. I have points in materials. I have 1 point in materials. A pump, an in-between building between the well and others, has one inlet and outlet for oxygen, water, and methane. Okay. CO2 scrubber, carbon dioxide filter, turning it into oxygen. It produces CO2 cylinders to be built in the workshop, canteen, hangar, and HQ. Small corridor. I like the corridor part. Kind of wondering if I should what I should do. Blueprint needed, workshop printer. All right. Let's just first go and see if we can set up a workshop. I want to be able to move inside something. It would be nice to be able to do that. And then that base over there looks a lot newer than those. It looks a lot whiter, doesn't it? I'm curious about that thing. Maybe somebody else built that. All right. Stamina's dropping a bit. Battery power. So battery power looks good. I think where everything is in the green, so we don't need to worry about that. Where can I build? Let's see, blueprints. I want to build, that's the incubator. I want to build a living quarters, workshop sink, a workshop. So I want to build a workshop, and when I want to build a workshop, like right here, close to my solar panels, I think that's probably the better idea. Boop. All right, let's see how much I need. Glass plate. I need four glass plate. It's gonna cost me. I have a lot of screws though, so I'm happy with that. Here come the bulkheads. Those are seriously structural bulkheads. Damn. It's taking a long time to build though. And I'm guessing this is a very expensive, very labor-intensive building to place down. But the glass plates we should be able to build. I mean, we have some glass plates in the I think in the pod, right? Those are glass plates. Yeah. So we have 25 glass plates. Let's go put that in there. Let's go build the rest of this thing. Glass plate. There we go. I'm not quite sure if that was a glass plate. It doesn't look like a glass plate to me. Pack of screws. We're just dropping that fast. I'm thinking we should probably use this plate, this workshop, to build the food, the plants thingies. A good thing we have a medium circuit board already. Alright. Done. Now I can't go inside yet because I don't have blueprints. What does this do? So airlock. I need an airlock. Okay. Airlock. Blueprints. Airlocks. I'll need you. Ooh, it's a big airlock. Okay, fine. Let's see. Oh, I don't want to turn it into a corridor. Is it me or is the sun going down? I need to hurry up. Electric motor, pack of screws, electronics. There we go. Do I need a ramp? I think I might need a ramp. Let's check out if I need a ramp. Can I build a little ramp? I can build a little ramp.
Available point for technological advancement.
Oh, cool. All right. Let's open up. Let's go inside.
Pressure. Low pressure warning. External pressure dropping.
All right. External pressure. We are in the workshop. Let's see what we can do. I don't think we can actually use it yet. We have 0 energy and we have a 0 water. Required set supplied. What is it? What is it? Structure plants. I don't have anything supplied yet, so I need to supply this thing with power. No hydroponic devices. Okay. Let's see if we can't hook it up with some power first. I'm not sure exactly how to do that, but let's do that.
Pressure.
All right. That there looks like a way in for... That's oxygen plug. That's water plug. That's an open socket. So can I... I'm kind of wondering if I can... Do I have anything cable-wise in my inventory? Cable? Alright, let's put some cable in my inventory. So I'm gonna go from you. Why did I drop that? I don't want to drop that. Let's go over to... Oh. Let's see, can I plug you in? Alright. Did that do something? That's I hope it did something.
Equalizing pressure. Low pressure warning.
Alright, let's see. Am I getting some power? I have power 5 out of 12 and a half. I need more solar panels, that's for sure. So I need more solar panels to be able to get that working. And then I also need to get water and oxygen here for somehow. I'm not entirely sure how to do that yet. I mean, can I hook this thing up to something? I don't see a way. I'm kind of wondering. This is just a door open close thingy. Let's So, if we want to have water come our way, we'll have to... How much inventory we have? We have water hose. Let's put that on you as well. See, that gets me all the way up to 6. That's water. La 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 la. Water hose. So that goes in there. And then I have to go all the way over there. Is that going to even reach? I have so many meters of hose. But I don't think this thing is actually on. There's no sun at the moment. Is this working? Yeah, it seems to be working. I only have 200 meters of water hose left. Let's see if it's going to reach all the way up to... Can I plug you in? That's power. Do I have to... Oh, it's over here. Okay. Let's see. That should get it water. Supplied. Okay, let's fill water bottle. No power. Alright, that's a bit of a pain. Alright, so I'm also getting a... I don't think it's powering any... It's not supplying this thing with water yet, because there's no power to that thing yet anymore. So we need to get better power. That's his first... I don't think it actually generates any water or pumps any water at night anyway, because it doesn't have any power. Right? You also don't have any power anymore, I'm assuming. Can I drag the cable? No, fine. Let's go and wait inside until it's like a bit more sunny, I guess. I can turn my light on, right? Let's go inside. Let's check it out. Let's check if we're getting any water here. Obviously we're not, but... Oh. What happened? I'm not quite sure what happened. Low pressure warning. Expect a significant temperature drop in 1 hour. Okay. I'm not entirely sure what happened. I think it must have been the temperature. Was it the temperature? Shoot, how the hell would I know? Alright, so there's a temperature warning, so I'm going to get out of here. This place is not ready yet to handle keeping me warm yet, so... Maybe I was too close to the door. Maybe that's what happened. It knocked me out. Let's go in here. Close the door. Alright. So, pressure outside. In here is normal. So let's see if we can't... inventory. Take my helmet off. Water bottle. Can I just refill my oxygen? Fill. Alright. Oxygen is back up to normal again. Hydration is pretty low. Low oxygen warning. Yeah, there's no low oxygen warning. It's warning me that I have no oxygen, but my oxygen seems to be fine. Health is a bit low, but that's probably because I got knocked the hell out. Carbon dioxide bottle. Let's see if we can't empty out our pockets a little bit. What is this thing? Seed magazine. I need to put that into actual, seed thingy. Alright, so just a universal repair kit. That's a medium circuit board. I need that for nothing at the moment. Can I just, I'm going to close these cupboards. That's money. I mean, that's MRE. I need to start looking into getting more food. I think I got plenty of food right now. We should go to sleep, shouldn't we? Temperature seems a bit low outside. It's giving me the temperature warning, but I think everything else in here seems to be okie dokie, right? Well, let's just sleep. How many hours do I want to sleep? I want to sleep until... Right now you don't need sleep. 6:30. I want to sleep until 7. Let's just sleep until 7. Till the sun comes back up again. Alright, so sun's back up, I think. Temperature outside is a-okay. Now we can't survive outside. Oh, low temperature, find shelter. Okay, well. It's still too cold outside? Come on. The sun's up. I think we're fine. Let's just look at our blueprints and our tech tree. Let's see how much we have. 2 points here in materials that we can spend. I would like to spend it on the small corridor. I mean, the CO2 scrubber. I think that's probably a given. And then we'll work on the pump. And in between building, between the well and others, it has 1 inlet and 1 outlet for oxygen, water, or methane. You know what? Can I redo that? Low temperature warning. We'll find. Let's just open you up. Low pressure warning. It's still a little bit dark in here. I don't know if I have enough power. It says 1250. We're producing 5. Water is still nothing coming in here. So I think we need a pump to be able to start looking into that. So let's see. Can I still build a, what is this thing? It's a workshop sink. Must be useful. Those are corridors. I don't really need a corridor at the moment. Plant incubator and a small hydroponic shelf. Do I need either one of these? Let's see. So that's where I can put the plant incubators. And I'm going to probably need some stuff for it. Let's see, blueprints, plant incubator. Boop. Yeah, I don't have the aluminum plate, the electric motor, the packs of screws yet, so I'm going to need to do that as well. Can I build a hydroponic shelf? That is, it's okay, it's over here. Can I build it on this side as well? I can. All right. So that also requires some stuff. Let's go get that stuff. All right. It says my battery is low. Is that true? I don't know. I think I'm going to have to try and see if I can. Yeah, my super battery is really low. So let me just drop you. And can I... Charging has stopped. Ah, it is charging. It's going to take a while though. 71%, 72, 74, 75. I think my battery, my suit pop package, whatever, is pretty good. 81. 90. Right. Let's plug this back in again. So I need a way to construct multiple what should we call it? Transformer? Okay, what does a transformer do? Can I build a transformer? Blueprints. Electricity. This puppy. Transformer. I need this so that I can plug in multiple solar panels and then take out one plug. So I think we need to do that. Let's go build that first. I want to see if that actually works. I want to see if I can power up this puppy and get it actually working. And then we'll go and see what else we can do. Let's go grab our stuff. Let's see. Grab you. Let's just grab everything. Why not? I don't know if I need everything. Boop. All right. I grabbed lots of stuff. Let's go see if we can't build this puppy. Let's see what it needs even. All right. Power management system. All right. Let's grab this plug. Let's plug you in. Is this out? I don't know if this is out or this is in. I'll plug you in there. So that seems to be in. So if I go to cables, that's 5. Plug it in here. That's out. And then plug it in here. And that is in. So now this thing should be, yes, green. So it's getting power in. That's also green. Let's see if we can't build another power, another solar panel. So can I turn you? I want to turn you. How do we turn you? So I have to turn myself. Is that what I have to do? I need to, yeah, whatever. The arrow shows where the cable has to go out. So I want it to go there. Fine. So let's see. Can I build you? I should be able to. I should have everything I need to be able to build this puppy. Alright. And then let's grab some wires. Boop. And then plug you in here as well. Boop. So now I have 2. And that should get... Yeah, so it's coming out there. Excellent. Let's go and check inside. See, there's now 10 volts coming in. It's very technical.
Low pressure warning.
Alright, let's see. Power. It says there's no power. Dang it. Okay, why is there no power? Is it because I have screwed up something? What did I do?
Equalizing pressure. Low pressure warning.
Oof. That's what happened last time as well.
Suit power 75%.
Alright, I need to automatic opening, blah blah blah. Okay, let's see. If I
Equalizing pressure.
So it's trying to equalize the pressure on the inside, but every single time I open the door, I just completely knock myself out because I completely fucked that up. All right, now why is this not coming along quite what I want? Okay, let's see what it's doing here. Boop. Use. No, output. Yeah, I want that to go all the way max. I only need like 12. 1250. All right, supplied 10. All right, I need to get some more, and then get another solar panel. So let's see. Can I get another blueprint? You there, and then let's see if we can get you built.
Warning.
Poor tool condition. All right, well, that's a shame. I was hoping we'd be able to get this a bit longer. All right, next up, let's go plug you in as well. Boop, and that should get me. How much power do we have in total now? To use 250, in use 1250, required 1250, extend simple. Storage and production. We don't have anything in storage at the moment, but I'm hoping that we can build a battery. That would be nice. All right, so that's all good. Let's go check inside. You know, it's probably gonna blow me out again. Well, how do I deal with that? Huh. Yeah, look, iris pressure in 7 HPA, pressure out 7. Okay, thank you. Okay, let's see what's going on. So you now have 12 out of 12, 1250. So that means that the lights are now on. Yes, lights are on. Perfect. And if I now... Can I build you? Alright, so that's good. And I can I build you yet? I can. Okay, so that's great. Let's see if I can open you. So I can put the seed in there. No tool use. Okay. How do I? Okay. Maybe I'm looking at this wrong. Huh. I'll put my little tool thingy, my plant thingy, in my inventory. Let's see if I can. Can I plug you in somewhere? Seed magazine. Picked up one seed magazine. Now I have it back in my inventory, don't I? Yes, I do. So now I have a seed magazine. And I would like to get the seed magazine. Not suitable for use. Repair the works. But tool is not suitable for use. Okay, this I want the seed thingy to go in somewhere. Shoot, I don't know how to use this stuff. There's no. Maybe I should check out the tutorials. You know, Maybe I should do that. Let's just close everything for now. I wish there was a sapling status. That's not what I want. There's nothing on the sides either. And this thing doesn't seem to want to give me anything either. There's no water here either. So I should probably look into getting some water here as well. So we're looking into getting a pump going. No hydroponic. Okay, this one here. Demand, supply, resources. Oh. What just happened? Oh, it needs more power then, if I supply it with power. Okay, so I need to give it some water. I'm not quite sure how much it needs. So it needs 15, and it needs like, I don't know, 5 power? I don't know. This is supply. And how much does this thing demand? But there's water coming in now, for some reason. Yeah, I've got 84, 90. That's pretty good. You know what? Let's just build this sink thing. That's a transformer. I don't want that. I want the sink to go... You know, let's put it over here. We need to repair our tool. Not suitable for use. Repair at the workshop table or use repair kit. Do I have a repair kit? Inventory. Repair. Okay, that's repaired. So now I can use it again. Alright, that's the workshop sink. No. What? Oh, how can I use this thing now? It does no. Press hold to charge the suit. All right, I'm back up to normal power. I guess. I mean normal water. My guess is airlock iris. I need to wait until the pressure is completely out. Then it opens automatically. That's what I gotta do. Alright, so everything here seems good. I need to get more... And I think that the water supply from that pump is good for that well. Seems to be supplying everything I need. My health is a bit low, so maybe I can use one of those health thingies. Inventory. Can I use a health thingy? Processed food? No, I want the... Abandoned tank? No. Where? First aid kit. That's what I want to use. Consume. Alright, my health is back to 100%. I got 2 more aid kits here. I need to keep an eye on that. Alright, let's see if we can't build some more stuff around here. Until next time at least. Bye bye.